Hello student, welcome to nice mathematical Olympiad problem. In this problem we are solving value of x. Our question is x plus 5 is equal to x. So now this x plus 5 is equal to x. X move into this, 5 move into this side, 5 is equal to x minus x. So this will be 5 is not equal to x 0 and x this one x. So now we are solving x plus 5 is equal to x, and this will be after square root to both sides. X plus 5 whole square root is equal to x square, and this will be x plus 5 into x plus 5 is equal to x square. Now x square plus 5x plus this 5x plus 25 is equal to x square. So now this 5 into plus 5 is also equal to x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to x square. Now x square plus 10x plus 25 minus x square is equal to 0. 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. This x square cut by this. So in next step, this 25 moved to this side, this will be 10x is equal to minus 25, and now this divided by 10 and this divided by 10, this 10 cut by this, given x, this will be x is equal to minus 25 divided by 10, and this will be x is equal to, so x is equal to minus 5 divided by 2. So this is our final answer. Now we are checking this answer. This is very short and tricky math problem. X plus 5 is equal to x minus 5 into divided by 2 plus 5 is equal to minus 5 divided by 2, and this will be minus 5 divided by 2 plus 10 whole divided by 2. It is equal to minus 5 divided by 2, and this will be 5 divided by 2 is equal to or not equal to minus 5 divided by 2. Our x is not minus 5 divided by 2 because it is not equal to this, and now we have no real solution for this mathematical Olympiad problem. Hope you will understand. Our 5 is not equal to 0, and then our 5 divided by 2 is not equal to minus 5 divided by 2, and our x has no solution. If you have any answer of this question, please write in comment box. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. Goodbye.